Hey everybody, it's Cary again from Byrider Madison. Got another video for you. Obviously we're still in February, normally I know it's a little warm out there right now, but normally when it's still winter, we're still dealing with the conditions with snow, things like that. And a lot of customers come in and they ask, hey Cary, what's the difference between all-wheel drive and four-wheel drive? Well, I'm here to explain that to you today. All-wheel drive, the big difference between all-wheel drive and four-wheel drive is all-wheel drive is always on, okay? Meaning that the systems are automatic, and depending on the conditions and what's going on with the vehicle, if the vehicle detects a certain tire is maybe slipping, needs traction, it will transfer power to that wheel. Whereas four-wheel drive is manual in the sense of you're the one turning it on. It's part-time. You never want to be driving four-wheel drive on like bare pavement, things like that. That's how you'll ruin a vehicle. A lot of things with all-wheel drive, you see all-wheel drive in all different types of vehicles. All-wheel drive, you've got minivans, you've got cars, you've got SUVs, things like that. Whereas trucks or four-wheel drive is mainly in trucks and SUVs. So it really depends on your driving and what you need when it comes to all-wheel drive and four-wheel drive. For most people, all-wheel drive is going to be just fine, and it's going to help in those less than favorable conditions, driving in the snow and the rain, things like that. Doesn't mean you're bulletproof, but it is safer when it comes to driving on the roadways. So yeah, those are the big differences. If you're in a situation where you need a vehicle and credit's an issue, give us a call here at Byrider Madison, 608-663-1213. As always, Cary, have a good one.